Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a home page slider on Shopify. First, open the admin Shopify website in your browser. Make sure to log into your account. On the left panel, click on Online Store and select a theme. Here, click on Customize and click on Add section under Template. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Slideshow. On the right side, choose the large arrows in the navigation. Choose the dots in the pagination and you can see it in the slideshow. Then, select the color scheme, enable the auto rotate slider and adjust the speed. In the size box, click on full in width and medium for height. On the left panel, click on group and select the bottom. Now, click on the Shop Now button and you can make any changes you want. Drag the slideshow option from the left panel and drop it at the top under Template. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.